Welcome aboard for another video.
Thanks, Conductor Keith. The purpose of this video is to bring my train home and Henry and Marge and the Friar and Conductor Keith to the Pencross Light Railway, which is one part of the namesake from the old country of my Pencross Railway of Eastern Ontario. We've seen in a previous video where we went to Dave's in Scotland at the Rutabaga Railway. Well, coming here is the second part. So those two railways, the Rutabaga in Scotland and this one here, are the ancestral railways, the ancestral homes of the people and the locations on my railway. In the background, up behind that ginormous tree which blocks the view, is the Pencross Hills. This house that we're at right now is on Pencross Close, where Pencross View. Steve's in the background going. And this is where Steve got the Pencross Light Railway. Now, of course, so many things in Canada are named after things from the old, what we call the old country. So all of our railways are connected. So I have the Pencross Railway of Eastern Ontario, which is named after both the Pencross Hills, Pencross View, and the Pencross Light Railway. Well, there's Simon.
Hello.
We're here at Steve's house, and we're just going to make some track. So, and here's my train from Ontario, Pencross Railway of Eastern Ontario.
Volts.
So here's Stephen at Steve's house here in Hemyock. Simon, that big train guy. And we've just put this on the deck here. Just, you know.
I've just come from firing real trains today.
He did.
Doing toy trains.
Well, it's because, you know, we're adult toys. Here's Goliath.
There he is.
Do you want any cakes while you work, eh?
Yes, please, my dear sweet stinging nettle.
You've offered
Yes,
Simon a
please.
scone and sausage roll. Would you like a scone and a sausage roll?
Yes, please.
Yeah, the scone is feta cheese and sun-dried tomato, and a sausage roll is a sausage roll.
Lovely.
And your lemon cake is spectacular.
We'll have three of
So in commemoration of being here, Conductor Keith has written the Pencross Railway home visit, September 24.
It's awfully good to be here, you know.
And as you can see, the Friars having a good time looking there. Henry and Marge are ready for the trip. And this young fellow we picked up at the Blackdown Nurseries. Well, he's a worker there. And we decided, he said to us, can I come home to Canada with you? I've always wanted to see Canada. So we picked up another sort of straggler.
I'm driving Goliath, Terry's favourite engine.
Stephen's creative creations. His extremely creative creation of Goliath on a roundhouse chassis. Driven right now by Simon. Steve has built a Mark I tank, British tank, but he's put a modern air weapon system on board. And here's his version of the Whippet. So that right there is a 10-pound weight. Here comes Stephen's girlfriend, neighbor's cat. And here our fine folk of Turnip in Eastern Ontario have come on to the tracks of the Pencross Light Railway in Devon, England.
Yeah.
You can get some shots of a drive, but I don't want to take you off driving. It's having fun.
Hurrah! Having fun! Here's Stephen now,
I can hear it now, yeah?
driving. Conductor Keith is quite pleased about this, as is Lord Michael. I see our blue guy's up from the rest he was having. Oh, Henry, isn't it awfully nice to be here at the Pencross Light Railway? I know what you mean, Marge. Yes, it is very exciting. And Steve and Allison are wonderful. And young Simon's such a wonderful young man. So Simon's having a go. And the folks of the Pencross Railway of Eastern Ontario are quite happy.
Full speed.
Now for this one,
Well, Steve and Simon are loading up another steam engine. We're just having fun driving around the tracks. We even have our own pub here. And Stephen has very graciously put some Pencross Railway of Eastern Ontario logos on there that I sent him a while back. Here comes Horace, and they're letting the Friar drive. The Friar is absolutely in his glee. Now we're going to couple, the Friar's going to come back here and couple up.
see the condenser on the charging.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that.
Yeah.
Are you cooing at us when we're trying to run trains here? Now, Marge, I don't know how the Friar keeps his vow of silence. He's fair bursting over there driving that engine.
From the First World War. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's why they're
The Friar has enjoyed his time driving the locomotive.